Hi guys, welcome to Saudi Foodie Vlog. Today we are making yummy sweet recipe for Eid. Milk powder 1 cup, all-purpose flour half cup, baking soda 1 tablespoon, ghee 1 tablespoon. Mix all dry ingredients. Now add milk 1/4 cup. Make fine dough. Dough is ready. Refrigerate for 15 minutes. Sugar 1 cup, water half cup. Make sugar syrup. Cook on medium heat for 10 minutes. Oil for frying. Make small balls. Sugar syrup is ready. Fry the balls on medium heat until changes color or crispy. Soak for 10 minutes in sugar syrup. Now it's ready to serve. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.